Upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart buyers. Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without having to sell your kidney. Today, we're stepping into the world of 3D printing and comparing two titans from ELEGOO, the Mars 4 and the Neptune 4 Plus. On the left, we have the Mars 4, the compact powerhouse, and on the right, we have the Neptune 4 Plus, the big beast with lightning speed. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The Mars 4 is priced at $309. That's cheaper than a decent pair of noise-canceling headphones. Meanwhile, the Neptune 4 Plus comes in at $599. For that price, it better print me a 3D model of my future Ferrari. According to Amazon reviews, the Mars 4 is praised for offering great value for its price, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. On the other hand, the Neptune 4 Plus, though more expensive, is seen as a worthy investment for those looking for a larger build volume and faster speeds. Okay, Mars 4 boasts a maximum printing speed of 70 millimeters per hour. Pretty decent for a compact printer. But wait, let's check out the Neptune 4 Plus. This monster can hit up to 500 millimeters per second. That's faster than me running away from my responsibilities. And it even has a default speed of 250 millimeters per second. Reviewers love the Mars 4 for its consistent performance, while the Neptune 4 Plus is praised for its blazing fast print speeds, making it a favorite for those who need quick turnarounds. The Mars 4 has a build volume that's perfect for small, detailed models. But Neptune 4 Plus? It's like the Hulk of 3D printers with a build volume of 320 by 320 by 385 millimeters. You could 3D print a small village with this thing. Reviewers appreciate the Mars 4 for its precision in smaller projects, while the Neptune 4 Plus is celebrated for its massive build volume, making it ideal for larger, more ambitious prints. Now, quality is where things get interesting. Mars 4 features a 7 inches 9K mono LCD screen with a resolution of 8520*4320. That's sharper than my grandma's knitting needles. And it has a COB UV light source for realistic model details. On the other hand, Neptune 4 Plus supports input shaping, pressure advancing, and has acceleration sensors on the X and Y axis. It's like it went to 3D Printing University and graduated summa cum laude. According to reviews, Mars 4 excels in delivering highly detailed prints, while Neptune 4 Plus is lauded for its advanced features and overall print quality. Mars 4 has an upgraded laser-carved build plate for better adhesion. But Neptune 4 Plus is showing off with a dual-gear direct drive extruder and a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle. This bad boy can handle PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even nylon. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Reviewers find the Mars 4's build plate reliable for adhesion, whereas the Neptune 4 Plus is favored for its versatility in handling different materials. Mars 4 has a large heat dissipation structure, which is great for longevity. But look at Neptune 4 Plus. It's got double-sided cooling fans and model cooling blower fans. It's like a mini wind tunnel in there. Plus, it offers connectivity options like Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN. Just one key file transfer and you're good to go. It's smarter than my smart fridge. Reviewers appreciate the Mars 4 for its durability, while the Neptune 4 Plus is praised for its user-friendly features and connectivity options. Overall, Amazon reviews highlight the Mars 4 as a fantastic option for those who prioritize print quality and affordability. Users commend its detailed output and reliable performance, making it a favorite among hobbyists and professionals. On the other hand, the Neptune 4 Plus is celebrated for its speed, large build volume, and advanced features, though it requires a bit more hands-on setup and maintenance. It's a great choice for those who need versatility and are willing to invest the extra time and money. Well, there you have it, folks. On the left, we have the elegant and precise Mars 4, perfect for those who love detail and a budget-friendly option. On the right, we have the Speed Demon Neptune 4 Plus, for those who want big, fast, and versatile prints. So which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Upbeat music playing, end screen with subscribe button, and previous video link product links are in the description.